Hlookup is used to find data from horizontal table. So this is our table. This is employee ID. This is name, designation, section, and salary fields. Now I want to find the salary of employee whose ID is 1. For that, equals to H lookup within bracket. It is asking me for a lookup value. Lookup value is 1, comma. Then we have to give table array. This is the table array I'm giving. Then we have to give row index number. Row index number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th. In 5th row we have salary. We have to find salary. So I'm writing here 5. And for exact match I'm giving 0. So employer ID 1 has salary 50,000. Similarly, if we want to find salary for employee ID 2, 3, 4, for that we can either directly write here 2. It will change the salary accordingly, or we can make drop down here. Like we can go to data. In data, we go to data validation. Here we'll select list, and here we are selecting EID field. Okay, this will give us a drop down here. From here we can select employee ID directly, and it will change the salary of employee of that employee directly. Now we will see how can we transfer our data from one sheet to another sheet with the help of Hlookup. So this is our table, and we want to find the salary of employee whose ID is 4. This is our previous table. So here we'll write Hlookup formula equals to Hlookup within bracket will give lookup value. That lookup value is, we are giving employee ID 4, that is in cell E1, comma, then we have to give table array. We have to go to sheet 1. We will selecting whole table, comma, then we have to give row index number. Row number is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So here we'll be writing 5, and then for exact match we have to give 0. Enter. So 80,000 is the salary of employee ID 4. Similarly, if you want to know the section of employee ID 9 from previous sheet, so we'll put formula here equals to Hlookup within bracket. Lookup value is, I'm giving employee ID 9, comma, then we'll have to select the table array. I'm selecting whole table, comma, then we have to give row index number. Section field is in row number 4, so I'm writing here 4, comma, and for exact match I'm giving 0. So here we got A section. Now we will see how can we transfer data from one sheet to another sheet with the help of Hlookup. So this is our table. Designation field is missing here. We want to get it from another worksheet. So we'll put formula equals to Hlookup within bracket. I'll be giving lookup value. Lookup value is, I'm selecting employee ID 1, comma, then we have to give table array. For table array we have to go to another worksheet from where we want to get data. So this is our table array, comma, then it is asking me for row index number. Designation field is in row number 1, 2, and 3. We will writing here 3, and for exact match I'm giving here 0. So we got designation sales. We can drag and drop it to get other employees designation.